Alex Hunt here, DPS booth at ISPO. New for 2018-19 is our Cassiar series. It's a more front-side, on-piste oriented line with some all-mountain versatility as well. Cassiar 94 is the widest of the series. We also have the 87 underfoot, the 82 underfoot, and 79 underfoot. So all of these skis are meant to really control the piste and really just get you out there ripping the groomers, having a great time. These are available in our Alchemist construction, which is 2 layers of carbon with the wood core, and they're also available in our foundation construction. So those same Cassiar models are also available in our foundation construction, which is a more traditional wood and fiberglass layup with a carbon stringer. So again, we have the 94 underfoot, the 87, and the 82. Great versatile skis that will really excel on resort.